Hi, welcome you all to the TheCryptoSingh show, and my name is Binance, and we talk about Bitcoin, Metaverse, NFT, everything on this show every single day. What's happening with the cryptocurrency scams and what's happening with the Bitcoin pricing, everything in today's show. Before we move on, please do like, share, and subscribe. We've been trying to give you the best content possible, and if you're still not subscribed, I don't know what to say. Now, what's happening in the crypto space and what is this entire drama unfolding of the FTX, and what do the other people have to say in this? Well, people are coming in to help, and they are saying, look, we're here to help you. We're here to help the crypto industry. We are here to promote the crypto industry, to help the crypto industry. Well, I am not talking about the government. I am talking about the company known as Binance, an exchange, a crypto exchange. After FTX, this is what Binance has come up with. And I will also be reading out certain things that Binance has laid out and what they've actually been saying in past so many days or so many hours. So on 24th November, CZ came out, said that we're here to protect the consumers and rebuild the industry. Fair enough. Of course, they are here to rebuild the industry. Now, to protect the consumers, I'll give you my opinion in the end, what I think about all this. So they said, as a leading player in crypto, we understand that we have a responsibility to lead the charge when it comes to protecting consumers and rebuilding the industry. So what has Binance done? So Binance has committed $1 billion to a public address. So $1 billion to fund at a public address, with an additional $1 billion if to be added in near future if need arises. Now, Polygon and other companies have also committed around $50 million between them to participate in the fund. According to Binance, 150 other companies have also applied to participate. So they are basically trying to govern themselves, and they are trying to protect themselves. Oh, sorry, they're not trying to protect themselves, they're trying to protect us. I'll give you my opinion in the end. The Industry Recovery Initiative, which is IRI, which they've said, is not an investment fund. Of course, it's a reserve fund, right? It is required. So it's a co-investment opportunity for organizations eager to support the future of Web3. Now, participants that have participated will be required to set aside committed capital in public address. The fund may explore possibilities for traditional finance institutions to find an alternative commitment mechanism if they are unable to send money to a public address. Now, here is a full detail that I pulled up from the Binance official website. Now, this is what the Binance official website says. As a leading player in crypto, we understand that we have a responsibility to lead the charge when it comes to protecting consumer and rebuilding the industry. That is why we have established the IRI, a new co-investment opportunity for organizations eager to support the future of Web3. Now, key facts of IRI. The IRI is not an investment fund. Of course, it's a reserve fund. To access investment opportunities that come through IRI application process, each participant is required to set aside committed capital. It could be in stablecoin or other token within the public address to ensure transparency. Each participant, including Binance, will review investment opportunity and make investment decision independently of each other on a deal by deal basis. We recognize that traditional financial institutions may want to participate but are unable to send money to a public address. We are open to exploring the other deal structure under the broader theme of the IRI, which such institutions who may be keen. We anticipate this initiative will last about 6 months and will be flexible on investment structure, token, fiat, equity, convertible instruments, debt, credit lines, etc., as we expect individual situations to require tailored solutions. Each participant can withdraw any remaining unused funds from public address at the end of initiative. Initially, Binance will commit $1 billion to IRI themed investment opportunity with an intent to ramp up the amount to $2 billion in near future if need arises. And the other companies altogether have committed around $50 million, as we expect more participants to join soon. The public address has been given by the Binance, so we have the public address with us. Other participant addresses will be released over the next week. We already have received 150 applicants, companies seeking support under IRI. Each co-investor within IRI will have the opportunity to review potential deals and decide for themselves whether they wish to participate. We expect some deals will be invested in unilaterally, and others will be co-investments with all or some of the IRI participants. The mandate of the new effort is to support the most promising, highest quality companies, projects built by the best technologists and entrepreneurs that, through no fault of their own, are facing significant short-term financial difficulties. What makes this initiative unique is the collaborative approach to restoring confidence in Web3. Collectively, we will be looking for projects characterized in innovation, long-term value creation, a clear, delineated and viable business model, a laser focus on risk management. Aside from funding support, we plan to provide founders and projects with comprehensive support from formation, technical execution, fundraising, and more, so that they can emerge and grow stronger from the crypto winter. Now, what are my thoughts? You can go on the Binance website and you can actually search this and you'll find this. This is something I read out from the Binance website. Now, look, it's simple. Binance now has the monopoly. Binance is the king now. Now, this would also increase its ability to have more monopoly. And now it's the only competitor to it was FTX, which is gone. So they're trying to save us. They're trying to save a decentralized product in a centralized manner. Now, saying that, Binance has got a license by UAE, fine, they're working in UAE, but you have to be aware that Binance is still under insider trading by the US authorities. Now, what does this mean? This means that none of these exchanges are clean. Now, they said that they have reserved policy. Now, they said that we'll do as much reserve as possible. Well, the reserve is not 1:1 ratio. It means as much as possible. Now, there's a huge difference between that. So I don't know what this initiative would really do to the industry, but it would definitely increase the monopoly that Binance has. And now Binance would be the far more superior, and I don't think any other exchange would come near to Binance in coming future. So Binance would really do that. But saying that, again, be aware right now that these industries, Binance is creating this now, it should have been created much before than the FTX scam. All of these exchanges have been involved in some or the other unethical practices. Now, does USDT survive? Now, does BUSD survive? Does Binance survive? Time will tell. FTX, nobody knew. Time told us. And I think for some people it was a hard lesson learned. But let me give you my opinion on this industry. This industry, for me, is a decentralized industry. I don't want centralization. And centralization getting so deep is not right. Deep in terms of Binance having the entire monopoly of the market. We are here for decentralization. We are here to make this product. Bitcoin was majorly launched to use as a money exchange, an easy paperless work that we have to go through the banks. There are no borders. So I don't know where we've reached today in today's day and age. We're actually talking about a very different crypto market that I had thought of. This has become more like any other product being probably manufactured in a company, and they're handling it. Well, we all came with a mindset of a decentralized world. Now, yes, it will help Web3, it will help that, but I think the power has been increasing, and that is, I personally feel, is a worrying factor for me. Because look, if Binance goes down, your entire crypto market will come down, and it will come down to the numbers nobody would have ever thought of. I'm not saying it's going to go down. Nobody knows. FTX got a license with UAE as well. What happened to FTX? Kevin O'Leary. I mean, these are the biggest investors in the world. They went wrong on it. So how would you know? How would I know? We don't know anything. The governments now need to intervene and set certain rules so that they don't take the benefit of having the monopoly in the market. Now, monopoly is good for them, not for us. It's actually bad for a consumer. I mean, think about it. If there's only one company that does something in general in your, your daily routine, do you think that would be good? I mean, you'll have to believe whatever they say. Tomorrow, they'll control the media also. I mean, we are starting exactly from where the entire concept, against which the entire concept started. So how different it is from a government ruling and the government backing that currency and government backing it. First and the foremost thing, if you really talk to me about all these exchanges, is they need to stop the kind of leverage they are giving on their exchanges. Why are they giving those leverage? If they really want to protect, then why give 100x leverage, 125x leverage? That's not protection. They are there to earn their money. I don't believe in Binance. I don't believe in FTX. I don't believe in any exchange which is centralized. I believe it's your keys, it's your finances, it's your product, your asset. Think about it. Think of what I have said. Think about what I have been saying. Is this the industry that you looked into it? Yes, everyone said it's full of scams and all that crap that has been going on. I agree to that. I'm not denying to that fact. It's a relatively new industry. It will have its own hassles, but the governments need to intervene. I mean, Binance has, on one side, it's become the hero of the crypto market. And on the other side, they have a case going on the insider trading. Now, I am so sure that all the leverage that people put in, they have an exact idea of those leverage, where it is, what price it is, and how it's going to play out. And these exchanges play out exactly the way they want to play out. So I think we're just falling into their arms. And as consumers, I think this is something that is not right. And I am being vocal about it. People are still supporting it. People are still saying, all the YouTubers are for it. I personally think, I mean, why should there not be a regulation now? Binance is regulating who's been caught for insider trading. Who looks over Binance? Tomorrow they have a partnership, or you could say any kind of, they have affiliation with the Twitter, with Elon Musk. Now the media is there. Everything is there. So I mean, it's something that I do not support, and I will not support this concept of what's happening in the market, but I think that's what it is. So ask yourself this question today. And if you're watching this video and your funds are still on the centralized exchanges, take it out. You don't even know what's happening with Binance. Trust me on that. Just take it out. Be on the sidelines for a few months, let the dust settle, and then get back into this market in whatever way you want to do. So that's about it. That's all for now. I hope you're liking the content. If you are, please do like, share, and subscribe. Signing off, Gunpreet Singh from the Crypto Singh Show. Bye bye.